Hello everyone, welcome back. In the today's session, we'll learn about the SAS software and a simple program we're going to do. Okay. In every SAS tutorial, every SAS program is explained with an example. You need no prior experience with SAS software, but to understand SAS programming that are provided in this SAS tutorial, you need to understand the basic concepts of SAS programs and the SAS files. Okay. So let's begin. Yes, I have said you before that in the previous video I have explained about the windows. How many windows does a SAS have? There are 5 types of windows. What are those? Editor window, yes, explorer window, result window, output window, log window. These are the 5 windows. Yes. Yes, in the editor window we will edit the program. We can submit the program. Okay, log window, what it will do, if there are any issues, error, warnings, notes, it will display the message. Result window provides the result, prints the result. Okay, and output window, it will open by default. Okay, and it will displays the output. Explorer window, we can create the SAS files and SAS libraries in the Explorer window. Okay, so yeah, command bar, you can see here this one is nothing but a command bar. This command bar is a place that you can type in SAS commands. Okay, most of the commands that you can type in the command bar are also accessible through the pull down menus of the toolbar. Okay, yeah, what is this? This is toolbar. Okay, in the toolbar gives you quick access to commands that are already accessible through the pull down menus. Okay, so this is nothing but the new to open new window. Okay, and this is open means to open the program which save in server location. You can save the program by using this. Okay, and this is what menu bar. Menu bar is located at the top of the window, right? Yes, that contains some pull down menus like file, okay, edit, view, tools, as you can see here. Okay, file is nothing but to open existing program, to save the program. Okay, file is used for importing and exporting data also. Okay, view means you can view the closed windows like editor, program editor, log, explorer, and the output windows. Okay, tools is nothing but in menu bar is used to create new library, change font type, okay, font size, everything. This is about the SAS software windows and the, yes, command bar, menu bar, toolbar. These are all the such kind of things that you need to know. Okay, next, as of now you can't use the software because it charges. Okay, so instead of this software you can use the SAS Studio. Okay, you can download it and you can start your practicing in SAS Studio. Okay, and the previous slide is something different, you can see in this slide and the previous slide, right? So yeah, by using this symbol you can run the program. Okay, this is run by symbol, right? And this one is code is nothing but the editor window in SAS Studio. Log window, you know, result window, output window, and here are the libraries. It is where SAS data files are stored. Okay, files are stored in work library. Okay, it's a temporary library, don't think a permanent. Okay, it's a temporary library. Work library is nothing but a temporary library. Okay, and you can save the program, you can save as this program. Okay, and cut, copy, paste, you can use these type of things. Okay, next, You can see a simple SAS program here. And what is this slash asterisk? A simple SAS program asterisk slash. I have explained you. For comments, we'll use this, right? Yes, to comment a SAS program or code, it starts with a forward slash asterisk and ends with a asterisk forward slash. Otherwise, we can use asterisk and the text semicolon. I have explained you before also, right? Yes. Next is nothing but the data example 1 semicolon. Data is a keyword, and this example 1 is nothing but the dataset name, the name of the dataset. Okay, and we are giving input name $ID. So how many variables we have in the input? Input is also a keyword, okay, which is used to create the variables. Yes, and we have two variables, name and ID. Okay, I have explained you that character variable and the numeric variable in my video. Just go and watch it, please, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, name is a character variable. So for that we use a dollar sign, but for numeric we'll no need to use. So here you can see two variable names, name and ID. Name is a character variable as dollar is specified after it. Okay, and cards means what? The data come next. You can write, instead of cards, you can write the data lines also. Okay, we are writing name Sam and the ID is 12, like that. These are nothing but the observations. Okay, this highlighted yellow one is nothing but observations, and this is nothing but the proc step. This is from here to here, it's a data step, and from here to here is a proc step. Proc print run semicolon. What proc means? Proc stands for procedure. In SAS, various procedures are used to simplify data manipulation and analysis work. Run statement is used to submit the program. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. After running this program, you first thing you need to check a log window. If there are any errors, it will display in red color, and it will also give warnings for you. Okay, so you can see that the dataset work dot example 1, it is storing in work library. Okay, it's a temporary library. Don't think that it's a permanent. Okay, it's a temporary library, and it has 4 observations and 2 variables. Data observation are nothing but the rows, right, and variables are columns. Okay, data statement used, and this one real time CPU time there it will is showing, and yes, proc print run. Okay, there were 4 observations. Read from the data set work dot example 1. Okay, it will show you like this in the log window. After that, this is nothing but the result window displays like this. I hope it's clear. It's giving in very clear format. Okay, observations, name, ID. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. Thanks for watching, and in the next video I'll do a real program in SAS Studio. This is PPT explanation for your better understanding. I'm explaining in this way. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.